guys, welcome to my channel. First of all, like my video and subscribe my channel. So today our topic is how to start your own cleaning business, the definitive guides and the checklist. And next we can see that starting a cleaning business is a great idea. There is a high demand for cleaning services and you can make good money and you can get starting with little money. The owners of the handmade cleaning, Chris and the Kevin Reynolds, and started with cleaning business without much more than a mop and a van. So today the manage a nationally recognized brand, so you can do it too. And but make sure you get things organized. And first, you can also watch our how to start and a cleaning business video series to get advice from expert in action. So you can do it too, but make sure you get the things organized first. This article guides you through everything you need to start making good money running your own cleaning business. So you can also watch our how to start a cleaning business video series and a series to get the advice from expert in action. And we can see the different things here is what we you will learn about the starting cleaning business. First, choose your cleaning services to offers and get set up registration business license and ensure the accountants and the cleaning your supplies and equipment. So learn how to improve the cleaning services. So number three, get cleaning supplies and equipment. Number four, select how to price your cleaning services and estimate jobs and market your cleaning business and get your first customers invoice the cleaning jobs and the manage and what you would work. And you can see whole words and invoice the cleaning jobs and manage your cash flow. So number seven, learn how to manage your cleaning business and client relationships. And next we have hire and the train cleaner so you can grow. Next you can see the starting the cleaning business checklist. And number one, choose your cleaning services to offer. And here's some examples. You can see the basic cleaning, the deep cleaning, and the spring cleaning. And you can see how here are some types of the cleaning services your business might offers. And when you are building out your list of the cleaning services, and look at the competitors and the website to see what they are offering, and this will show you which services and the missing in the market and that which ones you can offer and use to stand out. So start the small with just a few core option of your final services. And you can see start the small with the at just a few core options of for your final services list. The think short and the long terms of it can you do now and the what you can do to later the with more money. So at this point they decided you would like to focus on the resistance, so housing cleaning, or if you want to become a commercial cleaning business as well as the serving the business to a located. And you can locate it them things and different things. At this point they decided to do the like to focus and the resistance. So next we have at this point decided to you would like to focus on the resistance house cleaning if you are want to be a commercial cleaning business as well serving business in your local area. So next you can at this point to decide it if you would like to focus what you can do, and you would like to type of the services you would find offers. And you can choose the weather. And you can see here's the simple service. When you know the type of sources you will offer, so you can choose whether you want to run a solar operation from your home, a larger business, and a business with other employees, or something in between. And you can also decide it if you will work part-time or full-time on weekends, and where and here your services area will be working. And do I need a formal training of offers the cleaning services? Unless your city or the state and has rules about the certification, and you need to know, don't need formal trainings to start your cleaning and business. Casual training will do just fine. So but it's important to educate yourself to clean the professionally before you starting the cleaning homes, and the learning how to avoid the cross and the contaminating from one location to the next. AHCA offering the cleaning certifications sources to help you learn about the cleaning guidance guidelines and the chemicals. So disease, the prevention, and the even the history of the cleaning industry, money is often the tide and the entrepreneur just starting. So I hope you understand. Thanks for watching this video. Like my video and subscribe my channel. Goodbye.